Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Modz, and today we're going to do issue 13 of Build the Terminator. So let's get modelling. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is we need to bring across this part here that we've had in this issue. We need to bring this part here, which we did in a previous issue, and we simply just need to screw this down into place. Now you need to make sure that you're following the curvature of the model, so you get it into the right place, and we're just going to screw this in with a PB 2x6mm screw. And it's just going to be on this state part here. So let's get that in. Now I do believe this is a self-tapping screw, so we just need to put it in, back it off, put it in, back it off. Now, I'm just going to get my other screwdriver for this. No, that won't fit. Because I want to make sure that this is properly in. Because this is the neck piece of the model. And I don't want too much movement, if you know what I mean. Okay, so that's actually in place. Just double check. Okay, right, so the next part we need to bring across is we need to bring across the metal lower jaw, and these two pins here are going to be what this thing screws into. So just like that, and let's get a screw. I'm just holding it with my hand. Sorry if it's not the greatest camera angle, but I need to get this in properly, like so, and that is in place. Okay, so we can start to see the neck now come a bit to life. So the next part we need to do is we need to bring this over that we've had in the previous issue, and we need to basically put this onto here. Now what it's actually saying is that we might need to use a bit of super glue. So let's have a look. Step 9, fully tighten. Right, I'm just double checking the instructions. I did read these and I'm sure it said super glue. Yes, it does. So we do need to put a drop of super glue. So I've got my super glue here, and instead of just using a cocktail stick, I'm just going to bob it in to these holes just here. Okay, just double checking that one because I'm sure it said you needed to use super glue, and you actually do. And then we're just going to flip this over and slot it on, making sure all them pins are aligned. Right, so next thing we need to do, we need to put the screws in from the other side. So let's get a screw loaded up. That is the wrong screwdriver. I'm just going to screw this down into here. And that's nicely in. I'm still not too happy with this screw at this side. So let's just... that's a better fit now. Yeah, that's better. Okay, and the last thing we need to do is we need to do the top, where the lower jaw is. So screw loaded up. just move that jaw out of place. It's on the other side. And that's now in place. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is we need to come up, bring this across. We need to take these off the sprue. So I'm just going to use my sprue cutters. Take all 4 off. And the last one. Okay. And what we need to do now is actually we do need to put some super glue with and use a cocktail stick. So let's do that. And then we're just going to put these, I'd say like plates. And we just need to affix these in place. So that's the first one. There is quite a bit to do in this issue, actually. There's a lot of steps. Okay, that's them 2 in, and then we'll just do the other side. Get this first one in. And then basically, after we've done this, we've got a finger to do, but we're not actually putting the finger on the palm. Next, but we'll just get to that in a second. Nearly there, and that's the last one in place, and that's that part complete. So like I've just said, giving it away, we have got another screw to do. So I'm going to need some glue and a thread lock. So I'm just going to put some glue on the end of that and bob this on, because they are no way a push fit connection to me. Okay, so we need to get this and we're going to attach it together, but as you all know, I've got the Model Modz fix for this, so let's bob in one there. Then we need to get the 2 washers. 2 washers nicely in place, and then we'll bob this on top. Then we'll get a screw, and we just put them lids back on, like so. And we need to bob this in some thread lock. So I've got my thread lock. In fact, I'm just going to maybe drop some into the hole, like so. Right, let's get this in. And that's it. And that's that finger done, as you can see. And that's it for this stage. There's nothing left to do, but it was enjoyable. Well, I really enjoyed that. Coming in next week's issue, as you can see there, we are constructing more of the forearm and another finger to the right hand, and that is in next week's issue, which I have got above me on the shelf, so that'll be up anytime soon. So if you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell and you'll be notified of any future videos. Also down in the description where I have my Amazon wish list, and I also have the social media pages where you can join in and see what's happening on the channel. But as for always, bye for now guys, bye.